Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be grilling carrots. For this easy recipe, we need carrots, we need foil to wrap them because carrots tend to burn very easily, so foil protects them from burning. And we also need some oil. I'm using olive oil and any seasonings you'd like, and I'm going to use salt and pepper. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the grill. So let me open it. I'm going to turn the heat on high. And I'm going to close the cover so it preheats more quickly. And now let's prepare the carrots. So I'm going to brush them with oil and season them. So carrots, you can make them sweet or savory. I'm making savory carrots, so I'll use salt and pepper. If you want it sweet, then don't put salt and pepper. You can just, have no seasoning and drizzle them with honey later. Also cinnamon goes great with carrots, so whichever way you like it. So now let me just brush them with some olive oil. And this keeps them from sticking to foil. So just a little bit of oil. And let's brush the carrots. And let's sprinkle the salt and pepper. And I'll flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So now once we've seasoned the carrot, let's wrap each carrot in foil. So the carrots are now ready for grilling. And the grill is now preheated. So let me just open the cover. And I'm going to reduce heat to low. This is a pretty powerful grill, so I usually cook vegetables on low. And if your grill is not as powerful, you can use medium, low, or medium. So totally depends on your grill, but to be on the safe side, just start with low. You can always turn it up next time. And let's put carrots on the grill. So I'm just checking to see there's some holes in my foil pocket, so I close it. And I'm going to put the carrots on the grill in foil. And now let's close the cover. And I'm going to check on them in 10 minutes. So now the carrots have been cooking for 10 minutes, and I'm going to open the grill and I'm going to turn them over. So just flip them over so now the other side will be closer to the grill. And I'm going to close the cover and cook them for 10 minutes more. So now they've been cooking for 10 minutes on the other side, so 20 minutes total. And let's unwrap one and try to see if it is cooked through. So I'm going to take one off the grill. So let's carefully unwrap it and pierce with a fork just to see if it's tender, because how quickly they cook, it depends on your grill and also how thick are the carrots. So we just want it to be tender. So let's unwrap one. So see, it looks nice with perfect grill marks, and just pierce it with a fork in a thicker part to see if it's tender. Yeah, this is tender enough. It's tender yet still crisp, but it's fully cooked. So I'm going to now turn off the grill and take off the rest of the carrots. So let's turn off the grill and remove carrots from grill. So when you try the carrot, if it's still hard, then you would just, wrap it back and return it to the grill and cook for additional 5 or 10 minutes or so, or until they're tender. So we want our carrots to be perfectly grilled and cooked and tender. So let me just unwrap the rest of them. So they're all so nicely grilled. Perfect. Just take them out of foil. So all the carrots are perfectly cooked, so nicely grilled. So the foil really protects them from burning, because before I've tried making them without foil and they burn very easily before they actually cook through. So the foil packets, they seal the steam inside and they cook quicker and they don't burn. So this is a great method for grilling carrots. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So let me just cut the carrots so see how they're tender. So 20 minutes was really enough to cook it. Tastes amazing. So tender with a perfect grilled flavor. You will love grilling carrots, and it's so healthy and delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for very simple recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!